Hello everyone. So I am walking on a sandy beach, and this is my new home, but I'm getting here in my new home just in time for a hurricane, but I wanted to share a little bit of it with you. So here we go. I love that sound. I bet these tides are going to be very, very high in the next couple of days. And this will be my first hurricane. So, yeah. A little bit nervous about it. Sorry for any wind noise. Over there's the pier. Back there's all the different places. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. Anyway, my new home. Sunshine. Oh look, that guy's he's gutsy because the current's already pretty high. He's gonna go on out there. Let's watch him. He's gonna go catch some waves, I guess. I'm guessing this isn't his first time in these waters though. Look, this one's going to be pretty high coming in on him right now. There he goes, under the wave and up. He's riding him. That does look kind of fun, doesn't it? You wouldn't catch me out there doing that, though. No way. Anyway, so welcome to my new home, and hope and keep your thoughts and prayers for everybody in the state of Florida, that this hurricane does not cause mass destruction and that people are safe. And until I see you next time, much peace, love, and happiness to all.